Hey everybody, and welcome. Steve Hess from OpenBOM. In today's video, I'd like to introduce you to our premium onboarding experience. I think you'll find this interesting. The OpenBOM onboarding experience is a hybrid three-phase program designed to bring you and your company quickly up to speed and deploy OpenBOM using your data and your methods. The program is designed around, as I've seen here, designed around three phases. The first phase is a preparation. You'll go through and respond to some questions that I will send to you that are designed for me to learn specifically certain behaviors about your company. What kind of CAD systems you're using specifically, what type of storage you're using, perhaps what type of spreadsheets or other information about properties or data management that's going on at your company. These are designed to be thoughtful responses from you, which I will use to tailor the next two sessions. And in session 2, we will get down to business, working with OpenBOM, dive into your data flow and workflows at your company, and get started building bills of material using your methods. So this may be doing some preparations of catalogs. It might include setting up vendors, and along the way we're going to generate orders and purchase orders, of course, again using your specific data, and we'll send these off to our suppliers and update our quantity on hand. And then finally, in step 3, we will take a deeper dive into your specific needs about using OpenBOM, and this may include different types of commodities. Maybe you've got some specific needs around how certain people access the data, or maybe you've got step files that you want to link in a particular fashion. So in the third phase of the onboarding, we'll do that, and then we'll develop a go live plan, and I'll hand it off to you. And in the handoff, you will receive a digital copy. You'll meet Digital Steve here. You'll receive a digital copy of all the information all the lessons that we've gone through, and this is online. That's available to incorporate into your own methods. And then finally, you'll also get a nice printable handout that engineers or OpenBOM users can print and keep at their desk. So if you'd like to know more, I would love to get to know you and your company. Head over to openbom.com pricing, and you can get more information there.